Many U.S. rural counties have suffered population, job, and wage loss since the Great Recession. USDA's Economic Research Service 2019 Rural America at a Glance provides the evidence. From 2010 to 2016, non-metro counties experienced their first ever population decline. Following the Great Recession, employment grew less on average in non-metro areas compared to metro areas. Although residents in metro areas have traditionally earned more personal income per person than those in non-metro areas, the income gap widened after 2010. With fewer people and their residents earning less, rural regions have reduced demand for goods and services. Given weakened local demand for their products and services, businesses located in rural areas must find a way to sell goods outside of their region or even compete globally. Their survival is important because manufacturing jobs and earnings are disproportionately important to the rural economy compared to metro areas. Finding a niche is another possibility. Manufacturers can explore niches such as shortening the supply chain, locating close to the inputs, investing in advanced manufacturing, prototyping, or research and development to innovate and stay nimble and differentiate themselves from other manufacturers. My research is based on data from 1996 to 2011, a period with two recessions. The 2001 recession, which was especially difficult for manufacturers, and the Great Recession. I found that a plant was more likely to survive in a rural area than if the same plant was located in an urban area during this period. Among rural manufacturers, the research found they were more resilient, that is, more likely to survive, if they were independent and small, or entrepreneurial. Independent businesses, rather than branch locations of a larger manufacturing firm, had the highest business survival rates, likely because of close ties to the community and having local decisions made. Smaller businesses, in terms of number of employees, were also more likely to survive. Financial capital availability was a key to manufacturing plant resilience in rural regions. Financial capital can aid in keeping manufacturing plants relevant. In my study, incentives such as state and local tax breaks were not related to resiliency. Therefore, supporting existing small, independent, and entrepreneurial manufacturers is an important economic development strategy for rural areas. Manufacturing is not a growing sector, so retaining the employees in manufacturing that a community already has is key.